Hi there, I'm Michael from H4G. Let me introduce you how to connect the Shopify store to H4G.io. Basically, you have to know that it's possible to connect your store by using two ways, through a private app or a custom app. Private apps are deprecated and cannot be created after January 2022. So now it's only possible to connect the shop via a custom app, which I will show you. Firstly, you have to open your Shopify backend, then navigate to Apps, create a new app by clicking on Develop Apps, then click on Create an App, enter H4G.io in the app name input field, and confirm by the Create App button. Set the API permissions by navigating to Configure Admin API Scopes. You can find out which permissions are required in the H4G.io documentation. To open the documentation, just follow the steps. Navigate to H4G.io, open the menu on the left, and select Documentation. Open the Connects to tab in the documentation and scroll down until you see the permissions table. H4G need all these permissions. You can also select all checkboxes. That makes it easier. The app will only use the required access permissions. Select the latest webhook version. Save the settings by clicking on the Save button. Please switch the tab to API credentials and click Install App. Confirm. Click on the link to get the API token. Copy the API token afterwards. Navigate to the H4G dashboard page. Drag and drop your slot. Select Shopify and click on the Continue button. Paste your API access token into the designated field at the bottom. Enter your Shopify store URL in the top field. In the store domain input field, you have either enter your top level domain if you have one connected or your default Shopify URL. Please do not enter HTTPS before your shop URLs. Select your shop currency and then click on Connect. Select your location. Please make sure it is not a location which was created from the app overload or others. In the last step, please click on the Select Location button. That's it. Your store is connected to H4G.io.